get a short going. So I love the Airgun Target Company's pellet catchers. This is the 17 by 17. This is how they used to make them. They now come 2-in-1, so you just change the faceplate. But in the back garden, they are quite noisy. So, been to a local shop. Everyone knows one. I've got one in town. B&M. Whee! I picked up a floor tile. Carpet floor tile. So the plan is to cut out and stick onto the plate to hopefully dampen it. Happier for the neighbours. So I'm going to cut a square out, stick it on the back, and then we'll go take some shots at it, shall we? So let's see what it does. With a few slugs being shot at. And I'll move to 177 because they're heavier. Is it any quieter? Have a look. Yeah, the digging's not there. That's a good start. Aiming accuracy, chucking it down. Right, so that works 177. Let's try 2-2. Let's give 2-2 a crack, shall we? Does it make a difference to a 2-2? Right. Still fairly loud, but there's none of that ringing noise from the metal. That's what I was hoping to eliminate. On for luck. Oh, that's good. But the ringing has stopped. Happy days. That worked. Now the big question: how's the inside turned out? Get a shot at this target. Well, I'll bring you a bit closer to have a look at this bit. Doesn't look like it's fared up too well. Pellets are going straight in that. I'm not sure how long this is going to last, but nonetheless, we shall test.